Jada. Yeah.
Will, let's do. We're doing this one.
I hope it's a gift to us. I get the pirate gift. What does the pirate gift? Packing peanuts! This is the gift, this packing
No, you gotta look inside the packing peanuts. Try not to spill them too much. Hang on, hang on.
Good. Good job, Frankie. There's a lot of packing. We took out the bug and the muffins came in.
Alright, what do you say?
Thank you!
Who are you saying it to?
Jada!
What do you say?
Thank you, Jada! Thank you, Jada! We really like the muffins. We really like the muffins. They go out the box.